What's up, everybody? We're over in Vidalia again doing an estimate on another house. Let's check it out. That house didn't look too bad. We'll get it cleaned up real quick for them. I just got through messaging the customer. Got a response back. We're good to go for Monday, so we'll get that cleaned up, and I'll shoot a video of it and get it uploaded Monday evening for everybody to watch. And speaking of watching, I appreciate everybody that's been watching my videos, or at least clicked on it and watched 10 seconds of it. You know, it's something I like doing. I've been doing this for 18 years, guys. 18 years I've been pressure washing the houses, and I've learned a thing or two. I mean, I've been doing this for so long. I sweat bleach. I really do. I ruin clothes every day. I don't even wear blue anymore because by the end of the week it's pink. I promise. But anyway, I'm going to try to bring some more videos to you. I'm going to try to make them exciting. I'm going to do what I can to add some humor to it at some point. I'm just new to this video thing, just now starting to do this kind of stuff to get out there to get more reach on this business. And hopefully I'm going to give some tips and stuff. Not too many tips because I do have competition out there watching. So I'm not going to give them all my secrets. They're going to have to learn on their own. But it's something I want to do. It's something I want to represent. I want to put my brand out there, and hopefully they'll get better as I learn more and experiment more with different things and doing different things as far as videoing my jobs. Hopefully it'll be popular one day. I don't know. I'm having fun. That's all that matters, right? I'm having fun doing them, and I'm having fun bringing them to you. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I do have a YouTube channel. You can go over there and subscribe to it. I think I have two subscribers now, me and my daughter, so help me out with that if you can. And we'll see y'all later. Thanks.